Hello, today we will guide you through how to move emails from promotions into primary on Gmail. If Gmail has placed an email in the promotions tab and you want it to appear in your primary inbox instead, this is a quick and simple process. Moving an email manually can also help Gmail better understand how you want similar messages organized in the future. In this walkthrough, we'll go step by step so you can follow along easily. To begin, open Gmail and go to your inbox. Make sure you're signed in and looking at the main mail view where your inbox categories are visible. If your Gmail uses tabs like Primary, Promotions, and Social, that's exactly where you need to be for this process. Next, find the sample email you want to move. This should be the message that is currently placed under Promotions, but that you'd prefer to have in Primary instead. Once you've located it, click on the email to open it. Opening the message allows you to access the available actions for organizing it. With the email open, look for the Move to option. In Gmail, this control is usually found in the top toolbar and is represented by a folder icon or menu label that lets you move the message to a different mailbox category. Click on Move To so Gmail can show you the available destination options. After the menu appears, click on Primary. This tells Gmail that the selected email should be moved out of Promotions and into your primary inbox. Once you do this, the email will be relocated immediately. That's all it takes to move an email from Promotions into Primary on Gmail. If you're doing this because you want future emails from the same sender to be easier to find, it's a good idea to keep an eye out for Gmail prompts after the move, since Gmail may sometimes ask whether you want to do this for similar messages as well. If you see that option, you can choose based on your preference. As a general tip, this is especially useful for important updates, newsletters you actually want to read, or account-related emails that shouldn't get buried in Promotions. Repeating this process whenever Gmail miscategorizes a message can help keep your inbox organized in a way that works better for you. Thanks for following along. You now know how to move emails from Promotions into Primary on Gmail.